Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Amicabelli Decorative Garden Fence. The design of this ornamental fencing is simple yet elegant. Each panel is 32 inches high and 10 inches wide, made of rust-proof iron with a PVC coating, so it blends in well with plants. The green finish enables the decorative fencing to look nice even when it's not being used outdoors or during winter months when the panels can be stowed easily for storage until next use at any time without much work involved. Each piece of temporary movable border fencing can be easily connected by interlock and folds flat for easy storage. No additional tools required to install this patio landscape edging barrier fence. Simply stick and secure the spiked feet of this decor no-dig fence sections into ground.
These no-dig metal fence panels can be extended to different shapes according to your special uses of this path edging fence, one straight line, L, O or zigzag shape.
Amicabelli patio steel picket folding fencing is foldable and folds flat for easy storage. Amicabelli garden barrier fence is movable and removable. No additional tools to remove this temporary wire garden fencing for pets for reinstallation in another place. Simply pull the spiked feet of this flower garden border fencing out from the ground where you stick this vegetable garden fencing, then reinstall. Our second best garden fence is Zippity Manchester SemiPermanent. Zipity Outdoor Products vinyl fencing is a great choice for gardens because it's hard to damage, durable and weather resistant. It doesn't need to be painted or stained over time as the color will remain since there is no maintenance needed. Depending on the ground hardness, you can either insert stakes into its base or drill holes with an auger bit. The matching gate that comes separately can also be used for completing this project. Zippity Outdoor Products offers other gate choices depending on your needs, like picket gates and wrought iron gates available in different colors too. Assembles and installs with relative ease, little to no digging required compared to a normal fence. Simply insert included pointed stakes into the ground or use a cordless drill and auger bit in hard ground. Third pick in our list is Amicabelli Decorative Garden Fence. This ornate fencing is designed with spade-shaped pickets that are emblematic of Gothic-style fences. While most fences in this style are only available in black, this model comes in black, brown or white. The rust-proof metal material is designed to look like wrought iron and folds down flat for easy storage during off-season. It's constructed with sharp stakes for easy temporary installation that can be moved or disassembled if necessary. Each piece of temporary movable border fencing can be easily interlocked with the ring on the side and folds flat for easy storage. No additional tools required to install this patio landscape edging fence. Simply stick and secure the spiked feet of this decor no-dig fence sections into ground.
These no-dig metal fence panels can be extended to different shapes according to your special uses of this path edging fence, one straight line, L, O or zigzag shape.
Amicabelli patio steel picket folding fencing is foldable and folds flat for easy storage. Amicabelli garden fence barrier for dogs is movable and removable. No additional tools to remove this temporary wire garden fencing for pets for reinstallation in another place. Simply pull the spiked feet of this flower garden border fencing out from the ground where you stick this vegetable garden fencing, then reinstall. Number 4 in our side is Worth Garden Plastic Fence. When it comes to keeping animals at bay and protecting your garden, a temporary fence made of plastic is the smart choice. This picket-style protective edging doesn't require digging or drilling and requires little maintenance. The set includes 4 panels that are 23.6 inches wide by 14 inches tall each, which latch together easily with just finger pressure for assembly. For flower gardening purposes only, this fencing style works best when low height is ideal due to its use for embellishment or decoration purposes in the garden. White propene polymer plastic. Propene polymer material is environmental, tasteless and durable, easy to clean and maintain. Easy to assemble and disassemble, no digging required. Ideal for edging a garden or create a border, fits indoor and outdoor decor. Number 5 in our top 5 best garden fence list is Zipity ZP 19001 Madison Vinyl. Zipity Outdoor Products picket fencing is made of weather-resistant vinyl. It has a traditional aesthetic with a concave design and an easy-to-maintain white color. Each panel is 30 inches tall and 56 inches wide, which includes 2 pieces plus the necessary posts and caps for installation. The fencing can be installed semi-permanently without digging holes into the ground, just by inserting stakes in during construction. If you're looking for something that's easy to install but durable enough not to require repainting soon after installation, Zipity Outdoor Products picket fencing will do it all. Assembles and installs with relative ease, no digging required. Simply insert pointed stakes into the ground. Perfect to contain small pets or small children. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.